John borrowed $7,200 from his bank at 9.5% simple interest per annum for 3 years. Calculate the interest on the loan. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to outline what we have. We have that the principal is 7,200, and the principal is the amount borrowed, and so that's 7,200. Next, we have the rate. The rate is 9.5. As we can see here, the rate is 9.5. And we also have 3 years. That's the time. The time is 3 years. And so we are going to use our simple interest formula. And the simple interest formula states simple interest equals principal times rate times time all over 100. What is the principal? Well, the principal is the amount borrowed, which is 7,200. The rate is 9.5 and the time is 3, and we're going to put that all over 100. Next, we multiply what we have in the numerator, and that gives us 205,200. We put that all over 100, and when we divide these two numbers, we get 2,052. And so that means that the interest on the loan is 2,052. Next, we have to calculate the total amount repaid. Now, what is the total amount repaid? Well, the total amount repaid is going to be the principal plus simple interest. Now, what is the principal? Well, the principal is 7,200 plus the simple interest, which is 2,052. And when we add them, we get 9,252. And so that means that the total amount repaid is going to be 9,252. That's the total amount repaid. The question then goes on to state, John makes equal monthly payments on the total amount to be repaid during the time period of the loan. Calculate his monthly payment. Now here, our goal is to calculate John's monthly payment. But how many months are we talking about? Well, we have here a total number of months. We know it's 3 years, and each year has 12 months. And so in order for us to determine the total number of months, we're going to say 3 times 12. And 3 times 12 is 36. And so the total number of months is 36 months. Next, we have to determine his monthly payment. Now, remember that he has to pay $9,252. That's what he has to repay. And we're going to divide it by 36 because there are 36 months. And when we divide it, we get 257. And so that means that his monthly payment is going to be $257. And that's the answer to this question.